Hello, welcome to my channel today. This is a Kingsley Talk. It's the first time of joining us. Thank you for clicking to this. Ensure you like, comment, share, subscribe to this channel. Okay. Now, I want to say a question on linear regression. Okay. Now, what is regression? What is regression? Now, regression tends to show the relationship between two or more variables. Okay, we have the simple regression, we have the multiple regression, and the multiple regression tend to show the relationship between a dependent variable and more than one independent variable. Okay, so we have a question which they are asking us to prepare a least square regression. Okay, so before we proceed, I would like to expatiate on now in terms of the regression. Remember, we said it shows a relationship between two variables, the dependent and the independent variable. The dependent variable is always denoted with y. The dependent variable tends to what depends on another. Okay, it tends to depend on another known as the independent. The independent variable is always noted with what x. Okay, it's that variable that stands alone. It stands alone. It is not affected by anything. But the dependent variable is affected by what? The independent variable. Okay, so let's solve this. The question said the table below shows the income y and the equipment maintenance expenditure x, all in million naira of 8 construction companies. Now the companies are in millions. These amounts are in millions. So these are the y values: 20, 18, 28, 18, 30, 16, 28, and 32. And these are that for x. Now they said fit a least square regression of the form y equals a plus bx to the data, and b predict the income for a maintenance expenditure of 35 million. Now if we have solution, now they said we should fit the least square regression. Most time it can be called the least square regression of y on x. Okay, so now this y equals a plus bx is further expatiated as our a is given as mean of y minus b mean of x. Okay, now remember the mean of y is same thing as summation y over n minus b summation x over n. So that is for a. What a means. Now b, what does b means? B means n summation xy minus summation x summation y all over n summation x square minus summation x all square. Now this is when you are done with this solving, you get b. When you are done with this solving, you get a. Now you fix these two into this what form. Okay, now this becomes our what independent variable I talked about. Why this is dependent variable? We can use this now to predict what the y would be. Okay, so they've given us this. Now let's solve. We're going to solve for b first because the formula for b is there. So we're going to solve to know what is b first. So from there, if we have to solve for b, we'll create a table first. And that table we have something like this. This is x, this is y, this is xy, this is x squared. So our x is 32, 36, 40, 15, 38, 26, 24, 30. Okay, and y is 20, 18, 28, 18, 30, 16, 28, 32. Okay, so the next column, which is xy, means multiplication of x and y. So the first one will be 32 times 20 will give us 640. The next one, 36 times 18 is 648. The next one, 40 times 28, 1120. The next one, 15 15 times 18, 270. The next one, 38 times 30, 1140. The next one, 26 times 16, 416. The next one, 24 times 28, 672. The next one, 30 times 32, it's 960. So the next is the square of x. This is x. Let's get the square. That's 32 square will give us 1024. 36 square, 1296. Next one, 40 square, 1600. The next one, 15 square, is 225. The next one, 38 square, is 144. The next one, 26 square, is 676. The next one, 24 square, is 576. And 30 square is 900. Okay, now let's get the total because we're going to need it. So the first one is 32 plus 36 plus 40 plus 15 plus 38 plus 26 plus 24 plus 30 gives us 241. So the summation of x is 241. Now another one is 20 plus 18 plus 28 plus 18 plus 30 plus 16 plus 28 and plus 32 is 190. I'll also have the next one, 640 plus 648 plus 1120 plus 270 plus 1140 plus 416 plus 672 plus 960 will give us 5866. And the last one we have 1024 plus 1296 plus 1600 plus 225 plus 1444 plus 676 plus 576 plus 900 is 7741. Okay, so if we bring this formula now, our b is now equal to n. N is the number of terms. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that is 8. This is summation of xy. Xy, this is this. That is 5866 minus. This is summation of x and times summation of y. This is summation of x as 241 and summation of y as 190. All divided by our n here is still 8. 8. This is summation x squared. Okay, summation x squared is 7741 minus summation x all squared. So we're going to get summation x first. So this is summation x, that is 241 all square. So if we do that, we have now 8 times this will give us 8 times 5866 is 46928 minus this times this is 241 times 190 is 45790, all divided by 8 times this, that is 8 times 7741 is 61928 minus 241 square is 58081. So we now have the numerator 46928 minus 45790 1138 divided by 1138 divided by 61928 minus 58081 3847. So we now have 1138 divided by 3847 is 0.1138 divided by 3847, 0.2958. 0.2958. Okay, so that is this for B. So B is 0.2958. Now what is A? Now A will now be equal to summation y over n minus b summation x over n. So what is our summation y? 190. 190 over what is our n? 8 minus what is my b? 0.2958 summation x. What is summation x? 241 over 8. So I'll have 190 divided by 8 is 23.75 minus 0.2958 times 241 divided by 8 is 30.125. Okay, so we now have 23.75 minus this times this times 0.2958 is equal to 8.910975. So 23.75 minus 8.910975 is will give us 14.839025, which can be approximately 14.8. So that's our A. Okay, so therefore when I have our Y is equal to what is A? 14.8 plus what is my B? 0.2958 x. So that is that. So B, we have fit it in the form. That's the first question. Okay. B, they said predict the income for a maintenance expenditure of 35 million. Now you go ask yourself, which is the income? They say the income is Y and maintenance expenditure is X. Okay, so they're not saying predict the income for a maintenance expenditure of 35 million. So it means using this form now, which is Y equals 14.8 plus 0.2958 x. X is the 35 million, which is expenditure. We are going to substitute it here so that we can know our Y as income. So now I have Y is equal to 14.8 plus 0.2958 35. Okay, 35. So this will give us 14.8 plus, now I have 0.2958 times 35. We have 10.353. Remember, everything is in million plus 14.8. So we have 25.153 in millions. So that is the income. So the income as Y is 25,153,000. Okay, so that is how to solve a least square regression of this. Okay, so if you want more of this, comment in the comment section below, ask a question, drop and subscribe. Okay, thank you very much.